Well, spare me your judgments and spare me your dreams, 'cause recently mine have been tearing my seams. I sit alone in this winter clarity which clouds my mind. Alone in the wind and the rain, you left me. It's getting dark, darling, too dark to see. And I'm on my knees and your faith in shreds it seems. Sniff of riches blown. I know you have felt much more love than you've shown. And I'm on my knees and the water creeps to my chest. But plant your hope with good seeds. Don't cover yourself with thistle and weeds. Rain down on me. Look over your hills and be still. The sky above us shoots to kill. Rain down on me. I begged you to hear me. There's more than flesh and bone. Let the dead bury their dead, and they'll come out in droves. But take the spade from our hands and fill in the holes we've made. But plant your hope with good seeds. Don't cover yourself with thistle and weed. Rain down, rain